In this video, I will show you how to track your sleep patterns using mobile apps. So first and foremost, open up your Google Play Store, then come to the search bar. Once you come to the search bar, search for sleep tracker. Once you search for sleep tracker, you download this one here with a blue icon and then open it. So once you open it, tap on start. And then once you tap on start over here, as you can see, this sleep tracker will record your behaviors during sleep. Find out whether you snore, you talk, you grind, or you fart at night. That's funny anyway. So you tap on next and then next. So when you tap on next again, and then they'll tell you about how your sleep was. So you tap on next once again. So right now, you're about to start to sleep, okay? And then you have to tell them what do you expect to know about when this app is in place. So for this case, I want to know my sleep patterns in general, and then I want to know how fast I fall asleep, and then the quality of the sleep. Then I'll tap on next, and then what sounds do you want to record? I'll choose dream talk and then snoring. Yep, that's it. And then I'll tap on next. And then what is your typical night like? I'll choose fair sleep. And then why would that be? Okay. I would say my brain remains excited. And then how long do you need to fall asleep? I'll say less than 30 minutes. And then what does your typical day look like? Tired from morning onwards. Okay. And then we shall now know about you. So here they'll ask for my age. Okay, I'll put random age. I'll put 25, and then I'll tap on next. Then I'm a male. I'm not a female. I'm a male, and I wouldn't say I'm not anything here. I'm a male, so it's either a male or a female, nothing else. Okay, so you tap on next, and then what time do you usually go to bed? So I usually go to bed at around 11 a.m. Next, what time do you usually wake up? All right, there are too many questions, but we need to do all of them, and now we are done. So right now you give it permission to access your device, and now it will start setting up the sleep tracker. So right now you can go to bed and then sleep. Okay, so once you sleep, you wake up in the morning and you see how your night was. Okay, so here it requires some permission to send reminders, but I'll put it later. And right now it has started tracking my sleep. All right, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching. We shall meet once again.